Hi guys, my name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. If you get anything from this video, please like, please share and please subscribe, and please smash that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos. In today's tutorial guys, I'm just going to keep it nice and simple, and we're going to talk about the difference between a stripping knife, scraper, and a filling knife. I mean, what we have here is two tools that look total identical, and the only difference being that you can see at the moment is on the wrapper one says a stripping knife and the other says a filling knife. But when we take the wrappers off like so, if you was to look at them two, you would think they were identical tools and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference unless you knew. Now, a scraper, which is for scraping sort of wallpaper, blisters, you know, wood, you know, flaky paint and stuff like that, and a filling knife, which is for filling. Now, the difference which I'm going to show you is this is quite simple, is the scraper is nice and solid, like so. And the filling knife is flexible. Whenever you go and purchase a scraper or a filling knife and it doesn't have like a thing telling you what it is, always just test it and see which is flexible and which is solid. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching.